So today I'm about to show you how to generate facts from business documents using NotebookLM. First, open NotebookLM and launch your business workspace. Click on the Add Source button and upload your internal company files, such as standard operating procedures, employee handbooks, and product spec sheets. Once your files finish processing, navigate to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and open the Studio panel. Under the suggested creation tools, locate and click on the Fact button. NotebookLM will instantly analyze all of your uploaded documents, identify the most critical operational or product details, and generate a beautifully formatted frequently asked questions right inside your noteboard. Pro tip: standard FAQs can be too generic for real business needs. If you are preparing for a specific event like a product launch or an investor meeting, head straight to the chat bar, type hyper-targeted prompt like "act as a aggressive venture capitalist looking for flaws in our business model." Generate a list of the 10 hardest, most skeptical questions they would ask based on our pitch deck, and write a concise, source-backed answer for each. NotebookLM will instantly build a bulletproof executive briefing FAQ complete with inline citations linking back to your source numbers. And that's it. That's how to generate FAQs from business documents using NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.